With the newest version of the QuietCool Smart Control app, we have a new guided setup process that will help you set up your fan perfectly for your home and climate zone. To get started, open up the QuietCool Smart Control app. If you are updating from a previous version of the app, the first time you tap on your fan, the app will ask you if you'd like to go through the guided setup process. If you tap continue, the app will erase any existing presets and walk you through the new setup process. For this video, we will be setting up a new fan. The guided setup process will walk you through selecting your fan model, entering your serial number, selecting your preferred temperature unit, and setting up your presets. The first preset that we will set up is the summer preset. The process will help you set up your temperature and humidity settings. For more information on the preset options, please watch the videos within the app. After the summer preset is set up, the app will ask you if you would like to set up a winter preset. The winter preset is mainly used in cold, snowy climates. For more information on the winter preset and its uses, please watch the videos within the app. For this video, we will skip setting up the winter preset and tap Finish Setup. Your fan is now set up. You can control your fan or explore additional settings. If you would like to adjust your presets or create a custom preset, simply tap Fan Settings and then tap Climate Settings and Presets.